Cooking from scratch. Unveiling the secret to homemade delights. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very flavorful topic: cooking from scratch. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We're going to unravel what this phrase means, where it comes from, and why it's a badge of honor in kitchens worldwide. So, let's get started and turn those raw ingredients into something truly special. Cooking from scratch is a phrase that's as delicious as it sounds. It refers to preparing a meal using only basic ingredients, rather than relying on pre-made or processed foods. Think of it as the difference between baking a cake with flour, sugar, and eggs versus using a cake mix from a box. When you cook from scratch, you're starting from the ground up, choosing each ingredient carefully to create something unique and personal. The term, from scratch, has a fascinating history. Originally, it had nothing to do with cooking at all. It comes from sports, where scratch was the starting line scratched into the ground in a race. To start from scratch meant to begin the race with no advantages. In cooking, this phrase has been adopted to mean starting with the most basic components, without any shortcuts or head starts provided by processed foods. Cooking from scratch isn't just about showing off your culinary skills, it's packed with benefits. For starters, it gives you complete control over what goes into your food, allowing you to make healthier choices and avoid unwanted additives. It can also be more economical, as basic ingredients often cost less than their processed counterparts. Plus, it's a fantastic way to explore new flavors and cultures through food, experimenting with ingredients and techniques from around the world. If you're new to cooking from scratch, here are a few tips to get you started. Start simple. Choose recipes with fewer ingredients and straightforward instructions. Plan ahead. Make a list of the basic ingredients you'll need for your recipes. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things and tweak recipes to suit your taste. Cooking from scratch is more than just a way to prepare food. It's a journey into the heart of culinary creativity. It allows you to connect with the ingredients, understand the process, and appreciate the final product on a whole new level. We hope this video inspires you to roll up your sleeves and start cooking from scratch. Whether it's your first time making bread or you're diving into a complex dish, the rewards are always worth it. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.